Hey guys, so let's do a pre-market analysis for the markets for 13th 1 2025, which is January 13th 2025. So I'll begin with the gold chart. So overall gold is looking quite bullish. I'm having the 15-minute chart currently opened up, but if I look on a weekly structure, gold is looking bullish, and if I go to monthly too, we had a bullish candle for January, and the daily we've been on a uptrend since last Tuesday with the Monday close of bullish candle, and the 4 hour will look like we're gonna be trending to the upside. So now it's time to drill down to lower, like 15 minutes, to spot a better entry. So right now it looks good, like we could jump on the train, but I wouldn't recommend. I usually recommend 50% retracement level from the current range. So this blue line here, which is 2685, is a good buy zone, but we could buy if we're holding for an upswing. So let's do a daily target on where the market might be heading if we're going up to the upside, and yeah, I think around these levels, which is this blue line here, I'm gonna point it. So I think we might be heading to these levels, which is close to 332 pips. So this is the analysis for gold. Let's see I'm sorry, this is for the 1 minute. Let's see how the zigzag structure is. So yeah, the zigzag structure is still pointing to the uptrend on 4 hour. Even the 1 hour, we have higher lows, and yeah, this is it. So I think the overall trend for gold is to the upside, but let's wait and watch what happens. And this is the 1 minute chart. Yeah, let's go on to the next, which would be Bitcoin. Let's check Bitcoin. So as we can see, Bitcoin has been dropping since the morning, 6 a.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. Let's go to the monthly. We have been had a rejection the previous month, so we're like pushing up and down this month. Let's see weekly. We have a rejection candle for the last week, and today this week it's sort of pushing lower. Let's see what happens. And daily also we have a bearish structure, and the market's trying to push down, but let's see what happens, because it seems very consolidatory. If this 4 hour closes bearish, and I think then we have a strong bearish signal that the market is pushing downwards, and I think if the stock market aligns, then we surely are going down. So let's see 1 hour bearish structure, and the 15 minutes. So this is not a good time to actually go sell, take a sell position. So I would say at least let the market retrace back to the mid mean levels like this one here, the blue line. So that's a better point if you wanna take a sell, I feel. This is it. And now let's look at Nasdaq. So on daily the Nas looks bearish, weekly looking bearish, monthly we had a huge rejection. It's similar with the Bitcoin, Nasdaq and US 30. So but since it's a new week, we might try to push up higher, take up liquidity before we head back down. So this is what the market doesn't go unless there's a strong bearish signal for the stocks. We might dip lower directly, but with price action we'll know. So there wouldn't be much volume during Asian, so we'll have to look mid-London, New York for the volume in NAS and US 30. So as of now we have no volume, but the overall trend looks bearish. I think this goes same for US 30 because these two are highly correlated. So I won't check the US 30 chart, I'll just keep with the NAS. This is the US 30 if you guys just want to look. This 1 hour, this 4 hour, everything looks pretty bearish. Daily, weekly, yeah, even weekly we started off with the bearish candle. So let's see what happens. Thank you guys, this was the pre-market analysis. Gold seems to be pushing higher, and stocks and Bitcoin, the indices and Bitcoin look bearish.